Yeah, good morning, Pushpendra, and first of all, congrats to you.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Thanks a lot.
Congrats to you.
Congratulations, Pushpendra from Vise team for securing the coveted urology seat at PGI in 2020 session. Congratulations again.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, we are all happy from our Vise team as you are one of our students and you did a great job. And hearty congratulations to you, Pushpendra.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, Pushpendra, can you please tell us how was your journey in achieving this success? How did you prepare? From where did you start? Where did you do your MS? Your story, please.
Sir, I have did my MS from Samsa Medical College, Riva, and 2017 batch. 2017 pass out, sir. Then I have joined residency in AIMS Bhopal in urology department, and during this time I have prepared for urology. And sir, in last NEET, I have secured 240 rank in NEET, and there is in my rank I have allotted a DNB seat.
What were the options, colleges which you got during
yes,
your?
Sir.
What were the institutes available for you? Any idea?
Sir, in West Bengal and yeah, sir, after Ahmedabad and Gujarat and Delhi, except Gujarat and Delhi, I want to choose Nadiad or because IKDS shift to MCS seat. Then my choice is Nadiad and Rajkot and Delhi, Gangaram. Yes, sir. Then, but after sir joining your Vise lecture video and notes, it was very helpful for me because sir, particularly institute examination and even NEET, today's question directly put up from textbook, directly put up from the Campbell textbook, and even in general surgery directly put up from Bailey or Sebastian. So during my preparation for PGI, I have joined your Vise lecture video, and sir, your video sessions and your PDF was very helpful for me because it is a adjunct to Campbell. And sir, in during 3-month period, read to Campbell was very difficult because 156 chapter and even one chapter read to daily, and after reading there is much confusion and only 10 to 15% remember. So your concise notes and sir, your compilation, your Campbell compilation in table and chart form, this was very helpful, sir, for me. And you will not believe, sir, after watching your lecture video, I did not require to read those topics for me, and those time I have saved to my general surgery preparation. And
okay, so
80 to 90% topics was even matlab, I regain these topics during class session and don't require more and more revision after that session. And sir, because of this, I have to focus in general surgery part, right. And I have to read Sebastian general surgery topics and Bailey also. If sir, yours and even sir, I have left my topics. I have left my urology topics like tumors and urolithiasis session to totally dependent on your session because I did not read myself in this topic. I have read only general urology topics and reproduction topic from Campbell, and I totally dependent for tumor, urolithiasis, and pediatric urology for Vise session.
Right.
Yes, sir. And sir,
yeah,
your teaching style was very excellent, sir, and especially sir Kaushik sir, your table and chart, your mantras is very helpful for me.
Thank you.
And after even I in for, during my AIMS preparation, AIMS November preparation, I have read Campbell. So Campbell reading, especially sir, tumor topics was very difficult, was very confusing, especially prostate chapter, testicular carcinoma, and CA prostate was much difficult. And sir, your prostate class, your CA prostate class, your BPS class was very excellent. And after that class, I have no confusion in in those questions.
Right. Pushpendra, I think you might have read 11th edition more, dependent on 11th edition more. But by your second attempt, I think 12th edition has arrived. So how did you manage between 11th and 12th?
Sir, for 12th edition, I was totally dependent on your Vise session, Vise lecture video. And I have only read for general urology topics in 12th edition. And I did not read even one single chapter from 12th edition for tumors, urolithiasis, and pediatric urology.
Right. Okay. Right. Thank you, Pushpendra. Thank you for the kind words. Can you tell some tips for juniors how to balance between general surgery and urology? Which books you suggest for urology, and which one for general surgery?
Sir, for general surgery, daily general surgery topics, first 20th chapter is must. And sir, in previous NEET-SS exam, even like anesthesia chapter, anesthesia, and some general urology topic like nutrition, and from directly put up from suggestion, 2 or 3 questions directly from suggestion general topics. And sir, for GI and other things, either Pratesh Singh or Raja Mahendran is good.
Right.
And for yes, sir. And for urology, sir, because only 2 or 3 months are left, so Campbell read is much difficult and so confusing. If your sir Vise lecture video and Vise PDF is read 2 or 3 times, then it will very helpful for NEET-SS exam and secure good rank.
Right.
Sir, in this 3-month period, I have revised only 1.5 times. Because some important types like tumors and urolithiasis, I have revised 2 times, but other topics I have read only 1 time.
Right. Okay. Pushpendra, before going to exam, have you almost read the entire Campbell, or have you given up any topics completely unread or unattended? ऐसा कुछ topic आपने बिल्कुल छोड़ के गया?
Yes, sir. Because sir, in pediatric urology, I was dependent on your lecture video, but pediatric urology session is late, so my pediatric urology was totally left. I totally left pediatric urology session. Okay. Because your session was late. Then I have left the pediatric urology session. Pediatric urology, yes, sir.
Right.
Because pediatric urology in sir PGI and AIMS, pediatric only 1 or 2 questions from pediatric urology. So I have left these topics. Okay. What you have read and your sir, my suggestion is that only your PDF, only Vise PDF, and those topics you have read must revision. Right. Compile, concile, and revise. Only is no.
एक और बात है, अभी मतलब if कोई student अभी कुछ topic पढ़ा नहीं अब तक, so in how many days before an exam, how can when he can attempt reading a new topic? मतलब इतने दिन के बाद, एग्जाम के 30 दिन के बाद, 40 दिन के बाद न्यू टॉपिक पढ़ना है, ऐसा कोई फंडा आपने रखा है क्या?
नहीं सर, मतलब ऐसा तो मैंने नहीं, मैं तो जैसे सर जो मेरे ओल्ड टॉपिक्स जो मैंने रिवाइज कर लिया, तो उनको एक पैरेलल अपन कर सकते हैं कि जैसे जो पुराने टॉपिक अपन ने पढ़े नहीं है तो उनको साथ में रखे, कुछ टाइम अपन न्यू टॉपिक्स के लिए दें जिससे वो बैलेंस बना रहे, और रिवीजन साथ में रिवीजन चलता रहे, और जो न्यू टॉपिक्स है उसको भी बीच में पढ़ते रहें। बिकॉज यदि पूरा अपन पुराने टॉपिक्स को छोड़ करके सिर्फ न्यू टॉपिक्स पे रह जाएंगे तो फिर रिवीजन नहीं हो पाता।
राइट।
Pushpendra, one more
balance
thing.
between the old and new topic.
Okay. Regarding this, anyways, Kaushik.
That's what I think. यार आपने यूरोलॉजी में काम किया ना 1 year I think.
2 years.
Yes sir, yes sir. 2 years sir.
ये क्लिनिकल नॉलेज आपको कुछ काम
yes sir,
मिला होगा या
helpful. Yes sir, in AIMS exam sir, in November AIMS session, there are multiple clinical questions in infection topics and sir yeah, LUTS topics and sir 2 or 3 decks doses like Mira background dose asked in AIMS November session.
Right.
So in my OPD session I have to
Yes,
I was
right. लेकिन आई थिंक नीट के लिए आई थिंक इट वोंट बी मच हेल्पफुल नीट एग्जाम के लिए.
NEET, I think it will be purely
NEET is
exam. Campbell and
yes sir, NEET is only theoretical based, no much clinical question is there.
Right.
Okay, Pushpendra, all the very best for your future, and we'll be meeting in the upcoming Euro conferences. Hopefully,
Yes,
there
sir.
will be a physical conference from 2021. As of now, with the Corona thing, we do not have any physical conferences, but it is always
Yes.
good to meet up guys like you because it will also boost up our motivation so that we can deliver in a much better way to the aspirants. What do you say,
Yes,
Kaushik
sir.
and Venkat?
Yes, sir. Very well said. And all the best for the future, Pushpendra.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.